Those who did this assignment, they would be remembering the questions, okay? And they can also open their notebook where they have done this assignment, and they can check this with me, okay? So functional group is E, very good. Unsaturation is AN. Okay. Achha, I did not write the parent, okay, fine. There is no, okay, fine. There is no alkyl substitution. Here own EN and there is methane, correct? This is right. Then and EN and methyl, okay. Razan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Achha. Do you think whatever you have used for the scanning, it could be better?
Yes, sir.
No? So please keep that in mind. Achha. And you have not done this one, no? You have not done this one, okay. But I'm something is happening in your home. This is good. This is good. I like this because you have differentiated this one with this one. You have not taken the parent to be same. So that is good. And you have, okay, fine. I have to see the E1. I think most of you will be making mistake in the E1. And okay, now here you have gone here and then you went this side. That was good. So you have one methyl and two methyl was there. Okay, fine. Then I have to do this D1 also. Then you have functional group is own, unsaturation is En. And then you have one okay. Why you have written ethyl?
Sir, that was a mistake.
What was the mistake? The structure or the?
No, I have to write methyl, but I wrote ethyl.
अच्छा, okay. Sec butyl कहाँ से दिख रहा है आपको? Okay. Then I have to do this one also. Fine. What else? Minashi. Okay. मीनाक्षी आपका तो यही अपलोड हुआ है अभी तक. I got to, okay, here it is. Okay, fine. Parent is Hex. You have named the parent, but okay, fine. Minashi, can you please turn the mic on?
Yes, sir.
ये alkyl substituent. Who will write alkyl substituent? You have to write alkyl substituent also, no?
I forgot.
You forgot. Wow. Also, please use a marker, okay? So this is your parent. I hope bute. You have written bute. So I'm hoping that you have chose this one. And here also you are just choosing the bute. So this will must be. Okay, now here you are choosing pent. So, okay, wait a second. Let me go to Razan's. I think I did. Okay, Razan, is this a terminal? Tell me. Razan, can you please turn the mic on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have this as the parent, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to tell me, is this the terminal?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes.
Acha. How many terminals are there in the structure? A, B, C, and D, na?
Yes, sir.
This is not a terminal, right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have this as the parent, and here also you'll have this, okay, this as the parent, okay? This one as the parent. Okay, let me go to Minashi's again. So Minashi has taken what as the parent. Now it is pent, it is fine. Here also pent, no, this is wrong. So I have to do this E1. Yeah, she has not written anything. Try E is correct, X is correct, okay. And Khalil aapne kaha na, you have also uploaded. So let's see, this is getting uploaded now. No. Wow. How will I know? How will I know, Khalil? Yes, Mr. Khalil.
Yes, sir.
How will I know what is the structure?
So I drew the structure on another page.
On another page, let me see.
I didn't upload that.
Achha, you did not upload that. Okay. मेरे लिए मुश्किल हो गई ना, मेरे लिए मुश्किल हो गई. Okay, fine. But you have uploaded isopropyl. I think this one is correct. Very good with the identifying the isopropyl. लेकिन यहाँ पे I think you have not. Okay, wait a second. Maybe here it is not isopropyl. In the E it will be isopropyl if I'm thinking rightly. Now what is this? AN. अच्छा, अच्छा AN में तो you don't have isopropyl. You have to choose that one. Okay. So you have this structure and you have, है ना? Then you saw, oh my God, I did identify the isopropyl. है ना? You did it like this, yes or no? Khalil?
Yes, sir.
No, but this is a mistake. Can you identify what is the mistake here? Do you recognize the mistake? No.
Yes, sir, yes. That's not
Now you
the
do,
correct
na?
one.
The parent is this one, na? The parent is this one. So the alkyl substituent will be 1-methyl. This is also methyl. So this will be dimethyl. Dimethyl. Okay. Tetramethyl, I think this is correct. Methyl, I don't remember the question right now. Isopropyl. Now this is correct isopropyl. That one you have chosen right because you have a double bond here. So that will be the chain. Okay. So what I need to do is I need to go to your batch on hydrocarbon. Okay, where are the questions? Here are the questions. So I will be just writing the alkyl substituent. I think you guys are okay with the functional group at least. You have some things with the parent chain. So I'll be drawing the parent chain here, okay? So here you have no alkyl substituent. But whatever parent you have written up, please see that you have written cyclo or not. It will be cyclohex, not hex, okay? Some of you have written hex, but that is not right because we have a ring here. All of you remember, yes or no? All of you remember, yes or
Yes.
no? Okay, thank you very much. And in this, you will be having this as the parent, and that is why the substituent will be, this is methyl, this is methane, so dimethyl. And in this, you are having, actually, I'm going in a wrong direction, that's fine, but so 1-methyl, 2-methyl, and 3 methyls, and 4-methyl. So this will be tetramethyl. And here we have, okay, we don't have any substituents here, right? We don't have any substituent here. Acha, I think I erased those parts. Did I erase those parts? I don't know. Why is this like this? Acha, nahi, ठीक है. Sorry. This is fine only. And in this structure, you have this as the parent. So we'll have isopropyl. Okay. So Razan, Minashi, Mazia, Parvati, all of you understand now why this is isopropyl? Muhammad. Yes, okay. What about Mehreen? आपको आ रहा है या फिर हवा में उड़ रहा है आपसे?
Yes, sir.
Is it going overhead? आ रहा है ना आपको?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, आपके साथ आई थी एक युसरा, वो आज फिर नहीं आई है. अच्छा, युसरा, okay. She said she was in India, that is why she was not coming. Okay, but she's now in Saudi, I think. So this will be methyl, correct? And this will be methyl. Okay. And here also you will have methyl as the alkyl substituent. Okay. So please check your answers. Okay. Please check your answers. And let me see Parvati's if I get it right. Parvati, yeah, I think there is a new assignment here. There is a new one. Methyl. This is not right, na? Parvati?
Yes, sir, I did the same mistake.
Same mistake. Okay, fine. That is why I gave this question. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. So this is isopropyl. This is correct. This is methyl. This is tetramethyl. Yeah, that's fine. Very good. Most of them are correct. You made a, what I can say is a rookie mistake. You're starting with IUPAC nomenclature. That's why you made this mistake. Okay. Now let me go back to your page. Let me add a page for this class. That is 23rd of December. And it's a Thursday, right? Okay. So we are done with most of the parts. What you need now is some more practice, right? Some more practice questions. And but before some practice question, what we will do? We will do numbering. है ना? I hope all of you recognize that we have not told what is the position. What is the position of the substituents? What is the position of the functional group? What is the position of the unsaturation? Razan, you want to say something?
No, sir.
Tell me what is happening. Why I hear so much disturbance? Is it something with your earphone? I think. Huh? Razan?
Yes, sir, most probably.
Because earlier there was nothing from your side. I mean, but I don't know why it is happening right now. So we have to do numbering. So please, Naeem. Numbering. Okay. Now this is not a part of IUPAC nomenclature, but numbering is part of some of the parts of IUPAC nomenclature. What do I mean by that? So numbering is done. Please write. Numbering of parent chain is done. Numbering of parent chain is done. To identify the position. Identify the positions of functional group. Okay. Second is you also identify the functional group. You also identify the position of unsaturation. Hannah. And thirdly, Acha, tell me, will the parent have any numbering? Will the parent have any numbering? Do we assign any number to parent? No, no. Why? Because we are numbering the parent itself, and in the parent we have functional group, unsaturation, and alkyl substituent. Okay. The third is alkyl substituent. No. Oh, wait a second. Sorry. Please forgive me. आप लोग भी तो याद नहीं दिलाते हैं ना. Cut this part. We have not done a non-alkyl substituent. बताइए. अभी हमें याद नहीं आता. Now you guys remember, yes or no? Non-alkyl substituents also is there, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बताइए. खोए रहते हैं बिल्कुल आप लोग. So you have to write non-alkyl substituents. Okay. Now again, I will divide non-alkyl substituents into two parts. So it is easier for you. To recognize them. So some of the non-alkyl substituents are from the list of functional group. Okay, they will be from the list of functional group, and there are some others. Okay, there are some others. So if I want to write an example here, there is NH2 here, and there is a ketone here. Then obviously, this becomes the functional group. This is our parent, and now we have this NH2 left. Okay, now we have this NH2 left. This NH2 is now what? The NH2 is a substituent. Okay, but I have seen this NH2 where in the list of functional group. Okay, so you will be seeing something like this. Some of the functional group, some of the alkyl substituent will be from the list of functional group that we have written. For example, you can also write if you have a ketone and you have alcohol. So here the alcohol becomes the substituent. Okay, because this is the parent, and this is the functional group, and we have also identified the unsaturation as AN. The others example may be if you have a halogen, or you can also have a nitro group, or you can have something like with the oxygen, and here you have CH3 or any R group, okay, any R group. So these are examples. Please write this. Then we will first look at all the substituent that can be there from the functional group list, okay. Write this one. Let me know if you're done. All of you recognize this, na? NH2OH. These are from the functional group list. Yes or no?
Yes.
Khalil, आपको आवाज आ रही है? Khalil, can you hear me? I don't think so. Oh. Write this down. Done, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there anyone who is still writing? Muhammad, Razan, anyone? No.
No, sir.
No. Okay, fine. So please write. Alkyl substituents. From the list of functional group, okay? From the list of functional group. So I will be writing the structure here. Okay, the structure here. And I will be writing their substituent here, okay? That means the name here. What I should write if they are present as a substituent.
So is it alkyl or non-alkyl?
Sorry. Just write substituent from the list of functional group. What is happening? I need to drink water.
Sir, roll up for 1 minute.
Yeah, sure. I saw that. Yeah, please write. Substituent from the list of functional group. Yes, Khalil, done? No? Is Khalil done? No. Khalil again got disconnected. Structure and substituent. So you have seen this. What is this? Oic acid, na? This is oic acid. Now, if oic acid is present as a substituent, then you will write the substituent name for oic acid is carboxy. It is carboxy. For sulfonic acid, the substituent name is sulfo. SULPHO. And if you have O8, then the name is alkoxycarbonyl. Alkoxycarbonyl. Just to explain a bit regarding alkoxycarbonyl, this word here, alkoxy, because there is nothing alkoxy. Alkoxy, you don't have any carbon which has alkoxy. So what is alkoxy? If you have COO, CH3, then this R is now what? This R is alkyl here. Now this R is methyl here. So we will write methoxycarbonyl for this one. Methoxycarbonyl. If you have, for example, COO, C2H5, then this will be named as ethoxycarbonyl. So you get the idea. What does ALK, alk, mean here? Okay, it means whatever alkyl group is present here, that would be named as alkoxy. And after that, you have, what do we have after that? We have COX, right? That is halocarbonyl. halo carbonyl. Halo carbonyl. Now halocarbonyl, again I can see if you have COCl, then this halo will be chlorocarbonyl. Chlorocarbonyl. If you have COBr, this will be bromocarbonyl. So you get the idea. If you have fluorine, fluorocarbonyl, iodine, iodocarbonyl. Okay. So just one. This B will not be uppercase. Okay. This B will not be uppercase. There are some nakhra of IUPAC nomenclature. Okay. So this B will not be capital. So halocarbon is done. What about amide now? Amide, CONH2. CONH2. Now here you will have carbamyl. Carbamyl. After CNH2, you have CN, which is nitride. Then you have CHO, which is what? Which is formyl or oxo. Then you have CO. This is oxo. Okay, this is oxo. You have OH, hydroxy. NH2 amino. So right till here, let me know if you're done. There is no hierarchy in substrate because you don't have to choose substrate. You have to write all the substrate which is present in a IUPAC, in an organic molecule. Okay. There's no hierarchy here. Yes, guys, done? No?
Yes, sir.
Done, all of you?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Then write other substituents. Okay, other substituents. Now in other substituents, you will have, there is a list of halogens. Now halogens are group 17 elements, right? So if you have fluorine somewhere, then you will write the substituent's name will be fluoro. If you have bromine, then it is named as bromo. And if you have chlorine, we will name this as chloro. If you have iodine, this will be named as iodo. Okay, once again, sorry, IUPAC, I have to write this small I, iodo. Then you have some others which are NO2. This is called nitro. Now, if you have OR, this is important. Generally, you will write this alk oxy. Okay, please write, listen here, don't write now. Please listen. Okay, alk oxy. Okay, alk oxy. So all of you know now what is this alk? Yes or no? Mehreen, Minashi, Parvati, Mazia, Razan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what about others? Mehreen, you know what is this alk? Yes, Mehreen?
No, sir.
No, you don't know? Acha, wait a second, wait a second. You will know it, you will know it. Please keep your mic on. Acha, you know R को हम लोग alkyl बोलते हैं. You know this? We call R as alk. Okay. Now what we will call this? CH3. What do we call CH3? Methyl, na?
Yes, sir.
है ना? So what this will be? Methoxy. Can you see this? Alkoxy, methoxy. है ना? So this will be methoxy. Now you get the idea, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me for if you have CH2, CH3, and there is oxygen here. Wait a second, let me draw it nicely. Oh, oxygen, then you have CH2, then CH3. Now you tell me how many carbons are there that is combined to oxygen, that is joined to oxygen, attached to oxygen?
5.
5 carbon. How many
Oh,
carbon? Huh?
2.
2 carbon. So what is the word for 2 carbon? Look and tell, no problem, no problem. Okay, this is not a sarcasm. Please look and tell. What is the word for 2 carbon?
Eth.
Eth, very good. So you have told me everything about the eth. Now you have to also tell, na, there is oxygen also. So how will you tell there is oxygen? We'll add oxy. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So write this one. Okay, so please, practice is the only way to recognize. Okay, as you can see, there is nothing for understanding here. It is just recognition. Maybe if you go to a new school and you have 50 classmates there, then you will not ask, "Aapka, why you are named like this? Please tell me." है ना? You will be meeting very dumb people, है ना, who will be named as Albab. You know what is the meaning of Albab? Does anyone know what is the meaning of Albab?
No, sir.
Intelligent. Albab means intelligent. But they will be dumb. So you will say it doesn't make any sense. But no, no, you can't say that. So here also in chemistry, you won't ask me anything why it is named like that. Now I can give you some history about that. For example, why is one carbon named as meth and why it is named as methane? What is the logic behind it? You can, but it's not our concern right now. We just see some faces. That means their structure, the condensed structure or the full structure, and then they have given us some names that we have to learn it. Okay, that we have to learn it. Done, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now I will give you questions. Please don't trust your mind. है ना? Trust your notebook. Don't trust your mind. Please, whenever I give you a question, see that question and then look in your notebook, search for what is matching, which of the substituent is there, what is the functional group. है ना? For parent, you have to use your mind. To identify the parent, you have to use your mind. Okay. But otherwise, please don't use your mind. है ना? Please don't use your mind because these informations are there and our mind is not made for storing of information. Your notebook is there for storing information. But if you do the same thing for 10 times, na, then there will be muscle memory. Then in the 11th time, what will happen? Your mind will not be writing the answer. Your hand will be writing the answer. You don't even have to think about it. Okay, so please write. Identify functional group. Now I write this as unsat. Okay, unsat. Unsaturation. I hope you recognize this one. Unsaturation. Unsat and then parent and substituent. So see, I'm writing substituent. That means alkyl, non-alkyl, all. Okay. And identify substituent in following. In following. Okay. So number 1. This is 1. A. Don't try this one. I will do this for you, okay? Try these, let me know if you're done. So please start with same things, okay? Functional group, then only unsaturation, and then parent. Please use the terminal to terminal method. And after that, whatever remains is the substituent, okay? So you just have to identify what is the structure of the substituent, and then look in your notebook, write the name of substituent, okay? You don't have to write the name. Please don't write the name. Write it like this. Functional group, unsat, parent, substituent, okay? Write it like this. Don't worry about the name. The name, you can see it is automatically, we are getting towards the name. Also, one more reason why I like this way is because if you ask some students, they will directly say, sir, functional group aata hi nahi. We don't know function. Sorry, we don't know IUPAC nomenclature whole IUPAC nomenclature we don't know. But if you ask them a bit, if you dig in, you will see that they have problem in recognition of functional group. Now, since we are using this method, you can identify where you are having problem with, and that saves a lot of time. For example, if you're having problems with the parent chain, then you can see, okay, fine, I am having something in parent. I can get the functional group right, I can get the unsaturation right, but in parent, I'm having some problem. Then you will see sometimes later that you will having some problems in recognizing the substituent. So slowly, you will understand. There are knowns unknown and there are unknown unknowns. Most of the students, they have doubt which are unknown. They don't know what they don't know. But there are some good students who take up some time, read, do some problems, and they get to know what they don't know. And that solves half of the problems. Yes. How many of you are done with A? How many of you are done with A?
I'm done, sir.
Done. Who else? Maimuna, Khalil, Razan, Mehreen.
Yes, done.
Done. Acha. How many of you are done with the functional group of the first one? Tell me. Maimuna, are you done with the functional group?
No,
Yes,
sir, I'm
Maimuna.
starting.
अरे starting कर रहे हैं आप कीजिए. I'm giving you guys 2 more minutes, okay? You have written all the structures first, Maimuna.
Yes, sir. Now only I finished writing the structures.
Why? Why did you write all the structure? हम कहीं जा रहे थे क्या? हम मिटा देते क्या? हाँ?
Sir, actually you told to finish, no? That's why I thought.
अरे नहीं, finish मतलब you write whole thing. That means you can start then. Write one structure and then start doing, okay? Don't wait for me to finish whole structure. You also don't know now how much space you are going to take. Okay. Yes, so please raise hand if you're done with the functional group of the first one. Only the functional group. Please raise your hand if you're done with that. So I think Khalil is done. Parvati is also done. Okay, Razan is done. Minashi is also done. Mazia is done. Mehreen, you can't recognize functional group? Okay, Muhammad, you're also having difficulty in... Okay, Mehreen can. What about Muhammad and Abdul Wahid? Abdul Wahid, आप तो बोलते ही नहीं है तो कहाँ से आएगा आपको? हाँ, you don't even speak. You are not even utilizing all the things of this class. In 100 students, if you complain that I can't talk, but here you have so much less students. I know all of your names and still you are not talking. What about Muhammad? Muhammad is not here, it seems. Yes, Muhammad. Muhammad is not here, it seems. Okay, fine. That means Abdul Wahid and Muhammad are not there. Okay, fine. All of you, please turn the mic on. Those who have raised their hand, एक्सेप्ट रजान. रजान आप मत कीजिएगा ऑन. आई एम सॉरी. हाँ, बट योर देयर इज सम डिस्टर्बेंस. यू फिक्स दैट. इट बैंग्स माय ईयर. हाँ, ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज टर्न द माइक ऑन. खलील, मीनाशी, माजिया, मैमुना, महरीन. व्हाट इज द फंक्शनल ग्रुप? महरीन ने नहीं किया.
Sir, none.
महरीन.
No
महरीन.
function.
No functional group.
हाँ, महरीन ने नहीं किया. महरीन जवाब सुन के बताएंगी सबका. हाँ, व्हाट इज द फंक्शनल ग्रुप?
No, sir.
No. What? No, none. So what do we
None.
write here? What do we write here?
E.
E. Okay, Mehreen. If you don't remember, we write E. Okay, fine. All of you tell me. Okay, unsaturation. If there is no functional group, then we write E. Okay. Now tell me, what is the unsaturation, guys? Keep your mics on.
AN.
Keep your mics on. Keep your mics on. AN. Very good. AN. Okay. How many terminals? How many terminals?
3 terms.
3, na? A, B, C. Yes, Mehreen. आप अगर ऑन नहीं कीजिएगा माइक, आपको कुछ नहीं आएगा. The only way to learn is talk, talk, talk. Okay, talk. Razan, can you turn the mic on? Yes, Razan.
Yes, sir.
Huh. Now it is fine. Now it is fine. Tell me the parent.
You.
Huh?
You.
Bute. Four carbon, right? Very good. What is the substituent then? Parvati, you will not say. Khalil, you will not say. You guys send me in chat. Mehreen will tell me. Yes, Mehreen. How many substituents? First tell me that, Mehreen. How many substituents?
2.
2 substituent. Okay. You have this as substituent and this is also a substituent. Okay.
Yes.
What is the name of this one? F.
F.
F. F ही नाम है इसका. क्या नाम क्या है इसका? ये तो दिख रहा है F की तरह ना. What is the name? Sorry, Mehreen.
Fluoro.
Fluoro. Okay. What is the name of this? How many carbon is here? How many carbon here? हाँ, Mehreen.
1.
1 carbon. So what is the name for 1 carbon?
Meth.
Meth. Okay. And since it is substituent, what do we add to show it is substituent? You remember that? No. You don't remember that, na? What do we add here? No. Okay, go back to substituent. Go back to substituent, alkyl substituent. Please, okay? Turn the pages.
Methane.
नहीं ऐसे फिर you are trusting your mind. I told you. You said this from your mind, na? Tell me, Mehreen.
Sir.
है ना? नहीं. कोई काम का ही नहीं है. All of your mind
We add, sir, we add Y.
are useless. Whatever you are going to say, please say from the notes. Okay, trust the notes, right? Okay. हाँ, Khalil, corrected. Parvati, yeah, I saw you. हाँ, Mehreen या मीनाक्षी, किसने कहा?
I told,
Minash.
sir.
मैमूना, अरे मीना, अच्छा. Why I am asking Mehreen? Tell me ना. Why I am asking Mehreen? All of you.
Because she was absent, I think.
हाँ, yes, he was absent. अगर उसको आ गया, then I would think that all of you got it. Okay, but if you don't get it, then I will give you time. Mehreen.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, you got to that note, that page ना, where you have alkyl substituent?
Yes, sir.
नहीं. हाँ, so see, did we write it? Did we write it or did we not? Maimuna, did we write that? That I have to add YL or we wrote it,
Yes,
na?
sir. Yeah.
Third point, na? Third point.
Yeah.
Mehreen, look at the third point. Alkyl substituent. After some examples, I guess. After some examples. I have a very bad memory. That is why I am asking, did I write it or not? Because I have a very bad memory. Mehreen. Yes, Mehreen.
Yes, sir.
Third point, alkyl substituent. नहीं दिख रहा आपको?
I wrote, sir.
What do you write? What did you write? Repeat. खाली छोड़ा हुआ क्या? Why are you silent? What did you write? Oh, what did you write, guys? Use in the side I have written, use the same terms for, you can see that, Mehreen? Mehreen, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, can you see the sentence? Use the same terms for number of carbon atom in a substituent. Can you see this word? Can you see these words? No.
Yes, sir, I can.
हाँ तो read that. इतनी देर से तो वही बोल रहे हैं. Read it.
For number of carbon atom in a substituent as used in parent, but add
Mhm.
alcohol at the end of each substituent should show that it is a substituent.
Okay. Will you ever forget this? That you have to add YL in substituent if you have alkyl substituent?
No, sir.
No, na? Okay. Very good. So this is how you do the problems. Okay. So you will never get stuck if you have the notes written. If you don't write the notes, you will get stuck. But see, everything is there in the notes now. Okay. I will always, if you ask anything, I will not tell. I will say that go to your notes, go to that page, go to that topic, and you will find the answer there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So you have fluoro and methyl. Fluoro and methyl. Okay. Now, what about the second one? Functional group. What is the?
is al.
यही तो गड़बड़ी कर देते हैं आप मैमुना. You are in a hurry, मैमुना.
No.
हाँ. So tell me, what is the functional group? What did you say?
Al.
Al. Very good. Let us see. Can you tell me what are the functional group? Now, what are the atoms in al, Maimuna? Don't say from your mind. Go to the page list and tell me.
CHO.
हाँ. Where is H here? हाँ. यहाँ पे H कहाँ दिख रहा है आपको? This is a carbon, ना? Maimuna?
Yes.
This is also carbon.
Yeah.
Now tell me, what is the functional group? Yes, Parvati, correct. Tell me, Maimuna. You're trusting your mind? Don't trust your mind. Go to that notes. I have Mehreen here. Okay. Mehreen, you also go back to the notes and see what is the functional group. Okay. Yes, Khalil, correct. Minashi, Razan. Razan, you know the answer? If I am asking, do you know the answer? Then you should say, yes, sir, I know the answer. You should not say the answer. Okay, but I think only I heard. Nobody else heard. But that is right also. Yes, Minashi, correct. Mehreen, aapko mila?
Sir, should I say?
You got it, na? Send me in chat. Mehreen, what about you?
Yes, sir, I'm doing. I just got
Wow.
disconnected.
Acha, you have joined from, okay. Mehreen लिखा हुआ था Mehreen. No, Maimuna. अच्छा वो आपने नहीं बोला. That's not right. Acha, expand the structure, na, Maimuna. Expand the structures, okay? Expand the structure and see once again. Acha, Maimuna, turn the mic on, na? Turn the mic on.
Yes, sir.
Acha, tell me. So how many functional group can you see? If I'm not looking at the priority, then how many can you see here? Tell me that.
2.
2. Okay, that means you can see this one. At least from your functional group, I can say that you have recognized this one as a.
Yes.
And what about this one is also? You said 2, na?
Yeah, that one is 1. I mean, own.
Own. So which has more priority, the own or the all?
Own.
So why did you say all? Kya hua? You wrote it all, na? OL, but this one.
Yeah. Actually,
Okay.
I didn't read it like that.
Acha. But see, always look here and start from the starting. Okay, carboxylic acid. Is it carboxylic acid? No. Is it this? No. Is it that? No. Is it this? No. Is this amine? No. Is this nitrile? No. Is this aldehyde? No. Is this ketone? Yeah, this is ketone. Okay, fine. What about Mehreen? Did you get this as own?
Yes,
Mehreen?
sir.
Arey wah, very good. If you got this, then it is fine. Okay, I need to erase this. So, this is OH. So the functional group is own. And I hope you have taken this as the carbon chain, that is parent. The unsat is, tell me what is the unsaturation, AN or EN? AN or EN? Yes, Parvati, correct. Yes, Khalil, correct. Waiting for Razan, मीनाशी, महरीन, मोहम्मद तो है नहीं यहाँ पे, मैमुना, हाँ देखिए पढ़ेंगी नहीं ये मैमुना, हाँ सैयद मोहम्मद also, Razan also, everyone now is giving me wrong answers. Go to unsaturation. Go to unsaturation. Go to unsaturation. Okay. Can you see that I have written first of all propane, propene and propine? Okay, now
Yes,
Maimuna
sir.
is given. हाँ, अच्छा. Mehreen bhi, Razan and Muhammad. Maimuna now gave the right answer. Razan, can you turn the mic on? Go to unsaturation. You are there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me, it gives the idea about presence of double bond and triple bond. We have written that.
Yes, sir.
After that, we have made propane, propene, and propine. And after that, what is the sentence? Can you read that? Please read. Double bond. Double bond are represented by
En.
En. And after that, what is there?
Represented by volume.
No. After double bonds are represented by En. Very good. That means you have to only see C double bond C, na? So is there any C double bond C here? Razan, Mehreen, Muhammad, no, na? So this will be An. You got confused when I wrote An or En, na? An. Unsaturation is An. What is the parent? What is the parent? Bute. Now, what is the substituent? What is the substituent? Send me in chat, okay? This is the substituent, okay? What is the name? Acha. This is from the list of functional group, yes or no? This is one of the functional group, na? So you have to see at the list of functional group, non-alkyl substituent, list of functional group, yeah. Parvati and Khalil. Okay, yes, Khalil correct. Razan correct. Yes, Parvati correct. Yes, Mehreen correct. So you can recognize the substituent clearly now. Maimuna. Yes, Minashi. Maimuna, turn the mic on ना.
Yes, sir.
क्या हो गया आपको? What is the substituent? Tell me.
Sir, we we wrote it for own, right? The functional group. So I checked like that.
नहीं, जो भी किया आपने. What is the substituent? You tell me that.
OXO I wrote.
What did you write?
OXO.
नहीं. In the structure, tell me na. That is the name you have given to the substituent. That is not the substituent. Okay. What is the substituent in the structure?
OH.
OH. Now go to these and tell me what is the name for OH. Substituent name for OH. Yes, Minashi, correct. Maimuna. See the list and tell me.
Hydroxy.
Hydroxy. So आप क्या दिमाग लगा रही थी? You recognize this as the substituent as OH only, na? Tell me.
Yes, I recognized it like that only. But actually, above that it was written OXO. So that's just I saw it by mistake. That's it.
अच्छा, you saw it by mistake, OXO. तो ध्यान से देखिए, है ना? What I can suggest is you maybe write some lines like this. है ना? Maybe draw some lines like this. Okay, now I'm giving you guys 5 minutes. I'm giving you guys 5 minutes, okay? You do this one, C1, okay? You do this one, C1. Giving you guys 5 minutes. I want answers from all of you. पार्वती तो लिख के बैठी हुई थी लग रहा है। Yes, Parvati, functional group is correct. Very good. Unsaturation is AN. I don't have to say this. Sorry. Functional group is right. Unsaturation is right. Parent is right. Substituent is also right. Very good, Parvati. Now you can also do the E1, Parvati. Okay. The F1 also.
I finished D and F.
Uh, sorry. What did you say, Parvati?
I finished D and F.
E and F you finished. Okay.
Yeah.
You have not done D.
No, sir. I'm
Ha,
confused.
don't do
with it.
D. Ha, don't do D. Khalil, check your functional group. Others are right. Also said substituent. Khalil, you are in a hurry. You are in a hurry. Razan, what is the order, huh? Razan, you gave the functional group, then you gave the unsaturation, then you gave the substituent. No, oh, no, Razan, this is wrong. This is wrong. Don't be in a hurry, Razan. Please, please, please don't be in a hurry. Yes, Memuna. Now you got it right. Bingo. Very good. Please see that you have only 4 parts. Okay, you have only 4 parts to the IUPAC nomenclature. And you should be able to identify whatever you are writing. Na? For example, you have written something, you have to identify whether that is a functional group, or you have written something about the unsaturation, or you have written something about the parent, or you have written something about the amino bol rahe, the substituent, okay, which is the amino group here. Okay, so if you write amino, that means you are writing about the substituent. No, Khalil, no, Khalil, no. No, Minashi, no. Sorry. Not right. Okay, Minashi, can you please turn the mic on? Mehreen ने नहीं भेजा है. Mehreen, are you doing it? Mehreen, yes or no?
Yes, sir. I was typing.
हाँ नहीं, ये तो फिर गलत कर दिया आपने आखिरी में. In the end, you have done it wrong. Parent unsaturation is also not right. Okay. So please listen. Minashi, you keep the mic on now. Tell me, what is the functional group, Minashi?
OL.
OL. So all of you are right regarding OL, because if you compare OH and NH2, then OH has more priority. Yes or no?
Yes.
Please highlight it. Okay, please use a highlighter. You highlight it. What does it mean if I am highlighting it? It means that I have got OH. I have recognized OH in the name. Okay, I have taken OH's name. I don't have to see the OH once again. Okay, that means now we have to look at the unsat. AN. All of you have done this right except Mehreen. Unsat, now you have got it right. Okay. Now the parent also, you have it right. Most of you have written as cyclohex. Okay. But not Minashi. Minashi, क्या हो गया आपको? क्या लिखा आपने? You wrote hept. हाँ. How hept? How did you come to hept? Tell me. Did you do this type of highlighting, Minashi?
Yes.
So how did you count it 6? Tell me now. Sorry, 7. You counted it 7. How?
I mistakenly counted that last one, NH2.
Okay, and why did you not add cyclo? You forgot it?
Yes,
Forgot
sir.
it. Okay. So one thing is that you write whatever you are seeing. For example, you write only single bonds, then you can write easily AN. Then you write OH as the functional group. You write it like this. Initially, okay, initially, like 5 to 10 problems, you write functional group is OH. So name of OH is OL. Unsaturation is only single bonds, SB. Shorten it SB. And for single bond, we have AN. The parent is ring of 6 carbon. So for ring, I have cyclo. And for 6 carbon, I have hex. And now this is the substituent, right? Whatever remains after the identification of functional group, unsaturation, and parent is the substituent. So what is the substituent? NH2. Now look at the names of substituent. Okay, fine. This is a yes. Now you wrote it correctly. Yes, Meenakshi?
Amino.
Amino. Mehreen? Mehreen,
Yes, sir.
you have a highlighter. You have a highlighter.
Yes, sir.
So you highlight it and then again always look at the substituent like this. Okay, you highlight all of the things that you have named. So please, first of all, the first thing that you will do is to highlight the functional group if you have any functional group. Okay. So I think you had that mistake that you did not highlight the functional group, and that is why you are writing that as a substituent. Yes, Mehreen?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
You saw it, na, amino?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us do this one. E. Yes, yes. Parent is correct. Substituent is correct. Very good, Parvati. Please don't be in a hurry, guys. Okay. Yes, yes, correct. Correct for F also. So I think Parvati, you had done seriously the IUPAC nomenclature in school, and now you're mastering it, huh?
Yes, sir.
So in school, I don't think they use this method in school, right?
Oh, no, we didn't have to do such exercises. We only had directly IUPAC names.
Direct IUPAC name. So what do you think? I need some feedback. Tell me.
I think this is better. It avoids confusion.
It avoids
Yes.
confusion, right?
Yeah.
Even I found it helpful because I learned this one in my bachelor's. I did not learn this one in my 11th and 12th standard. So I was like, okay, fine. If I find this helpful, then maybe 11th, 12th standard students will also find this helpful.
Yes.
And the best way is that you maybe get a hold of one of your classmates and teach them IUPAC nomenclature. I know that there may be one or two students or one or two friends of yours who will be whining and crying about IUPAC nomenclature. So you just take, then teach them. And if you teach them, then it will be in your mind always.
Yes. So have we done the first chapter of organic chemistry here?
वो तो term 1 में था ना? And we started
That's
with the term 2 syllabus actually, na?
Yeah, in school we did IUPAC name in that chapter.
Yeah, I know that, but again, I also know that nobody would have gained expertise in IUPAC nomenclature if they did in school, because even I did not have anything. Even none of my friends had much of IUPAC nomenclature knowledge until they were in 12th standard. So I started with IUPAC nomenclature.
Okay,
And in hydrocarbons, you also have IUPAC nomenclature for alkane, alkyne, and
Yes.
alkenes.
Yeah, that's
So,
there.
but the functional group is not there. But I mean, I had to spend some time, so I was like, maybe I should spend the whole thing with IUPAC nomenclature, so you get some knowledge. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Maimuna. Maimuna, double functional group. Maimuna, functional group. See, if you have highlighted, you may be seeing that you have missed a particular. You have missed some atoms in naming. Maimuna, can you turn the mic on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you saw that?
Yes.
Okay, now try again. I need to do something with the structures which have double bond O. You guys get confused when you see double bond O. You have a variety of options to choose from there. You have holiday, Parvati? now?
Sir, can you repeat?
You have holidays around, no? Now you have holidays.
Yes, sir.
No.
For 12 days.
12 days. Okay.
Sir, my functional group is wrong.
Your functional group is wrong. Acha, whatever you have written, na, you have recognized the double bond O. Yes or no, Maimuna?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and that carbon, does it have anything other attached to it?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay. Now group them together and think about the functional group. Okay. Group them all together.
Okay.
Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Khalil? Khalil,
Yes, sir.
did you hear what I said? No. You have recognized double bond O, correct? Khalil,
Yes.
as the functional group. Okay. Now you see that carbon atom and tell me, is there any other thing that is attached to that carbon atom?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No,
Now
sir.
group them. No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now group them together. You see another functional group? You see a functional group? Yes or no? Different
Yes, sir.
functional group? Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Also see the carbon number. Maimuna, see the number of carbon atoms now? See the number of carbon atoms. You're writing it. Okay. मैमूना को हड़बड़ी मची है बस. Maimuna,
Yes, sir.
did you write it completely? Tell me na, the functional group.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Go back to the notes. Functional group.
Acha,
And see what is the name.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, I wrote it right, sir. Yeah. ठीक कीजिए. आपने कॉपी में लिखने से पहले चैट में लिख दिया ना, मैमूना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, क्या हड़बड़ी है? हम मार्क्स देंगे क्या आपको? ओके. ये एक एक करके सेम गलती कर रहे हैं, सबको वही बताएं क्या हम? मीनाक्षी, टर्न द माइक ऑन. हाँ. You have recognized the double bond O. This is the third time that I am speaking the same lines. You have recognized double bond O, yes or no?
Yes.
Can you see that carbon which is attached to double bond O?
Yes, sir.
Is that carbon attached to something else?
Yes.
Can you group them together?
OOH.
Carbon, then O, then OH. Do you see a new functional group, a different functional group?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Again. Wait. Meenakshi,
Yes,
how
sir.
many carbon atoms? Count.
5.
Count.
4.
Where should I
Four.
start? 4, na? You saw it,
Yes, sir.
4? है ना?
Yes.
You start from here, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Mehreen, you have not answered me. Razan का भी आंसर नहीं आया. हाँ, did you answer me? No, na?
No, sir.
Why? Can you recognize the functional group? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the functional group? Tell me.
On.
अरे भाई. Okay. Maimuna?
Yes, sir.
Mehreen is doing the same mistake, na? That you did. है ना?
Yes.
You understood what was your mistake?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, Mehreen, turn the mic on and you guys talk and sort this out. समझाइए इन्हें.
The mistake here is that the O double bond O is there, right? So there is one carbon over there. So you counted it COOH. So
अरे no, not like that. आप आंसर क्यों बता रही हैं? You ask her some questions ना, she will answer. Why you are telling her answer? हाँ.
Is there a carbon? In the first area?
हिंदी में बता दीजिए आप इनको हिंदी मेहरीन, यू नो हिंदी?
I can understand.
Why, where are you from?
I'm from Kerala.
Okay, fine, I can, okay, got this. Good.
Sir, I got the answer.
You got the answer. Where did you write the answer? Tell me, what is the group?
OIC.
Can you please tell me the spelling? I could not hear it rightly.
OIC.
मैमूना, ये आपकी बहन है क्या? आपकी बिछड़ी हुई बहन लग रही है ये exactly same mistakes. How is this possible? Explain
I
to her.
don't have an idea. We have to write it completely. OIC acid.
Oic acid. Mehreen, you got
acid.
this?
Yes, sir.
Anna, you have written that na, oic acid, yes or no, Mehreen?
Sir, while I'm
Oh.
saying it, I said OIC.
Acha. OIC, it is a there is a committee, na? I think some Islamic committee. All I mean, all the Muslim countries, na, they have this committee. I think all the Middle Eastern countries and some countries in the Africa. You know this, yes or no? No, you don't know this. So you know this, okay? Razan has got this right. Correct. Very good, Razan. Razan, you were listening to all of these doubts, na?
Yes, sir.
हाँ रज़ान, हाँ इधर रज़ान इत्मीनान से थी, सर तो बता ही देंगे, कुछ ना कुछ तो हिंट दे ही देंगे. And at the end she wrote it all. Okay, so functional group is oic acid. Then you have Khalil sent me the answer. I think he corrected it बाद में. Yeah, he corrected it. Correct. Oic acid, and after that you have unsaturation. ये क्या हो गया भाई? The unsaturation is AN. Correct, Mehreen. Parent, Mehreen, parent.
Bute.
Very good. आ रहा है, आपको भी आ रहा है. Very good. Substituent.
Nitro.
Very good, very good. जैसे you were having this you were hesitating with the answer, na? Even I was hesitating
I
to.
didn't get the functional group, so I didn't send.
Acha, you did not get you got the oic acid, na? Or no?
Yes, sir. After she set it
After
up, I
this.
got it.
I got it. Okay, fine. Now for the F1, guys, try for the F1. Don't look at the structure. Start with the functional group. Search the functional group here. If you don't get it, don't worry. जहां तक हो रहा है वहां तक कीजिए. ये नहीं कि आपने उस चीज से देखा, ओ माय गॉड पहले तो कभी देखा ही नहीं हमने. So what? है ना? Don't worry. It is just a new phase here, but you know all the components. Okay, you know the unsaturation, you know the functional group, you also know the parent. Then after that, na, you will understand the substituent. Okay, so please start like that. You don't know the whole name, you don't know what is the substituent, what is going to happen. Please start with the functional group. Okay, I can see Khalil has answered. Okay, correct. Yeah, I'm waiting for others. रज़ान, आप कीजिए तो पहले आंसर, आप सबका सुन के कर लेती हैं. You give me the answer, okay? Muhammad is silent. Muhammad gave one answer, EN, and then he is gone. I hope you guys are doing this, yes or no? At least tell me till functional group, unsaturation, parent. Okay. If nothing, then please tell me the functional group or unsaturation only. Razan, look at the parent once again. Look at the parent once again. Minashi, Mehreen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, whatever you have answered, na, please tell me. Do you you go to the functional group list? Okay, you are
Yes,
there.
sir.
Okay,
Yes.
you can see whatever you have written, na, and tell me, na, how many oxygens are there? Whatever you have written for that functional group, how many oxygens are there? How many oxygens are there?
2,
And okay, and in the question, how many oxygens are there?
1.
So that is not right, na? And also this, you are doing the same thing. How can you write that? Okay, please see. Try again. Your parent is also not right. So do something about the parent. And Minashi,
Yes, sir.
you have done the same mistake. You heard what did I say to Mehreen or no? Did you hear
Yes,
that?
sir.
No. You heard that? Okay.
Yes.
You also understand, na? Your functional group is not right. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You understand that? Okay. Please try again. Please try again. Yes, Memuna, now you are correct. Yes, Memuna, you are correct. Razan,
Yes, sir.
did you check the parent? The number of parent, that is not right.
Yes, thank you.
So you are looking at it, okay.
So can I send the fourth answer? I'm not sure if it's right.
You can send it, obviously, you can send it. Razan, now it is correct. Acha, just see na, if your parent is terminal to terminal. And is it the longest? Just check those
Sir,
two things,
you're
Parvati.
asking, okay.
Yes, correct, Mehreen. Okay. So let me do this one. F1 here, okay. E, AN, and see the most number of carbon atoms are here. And whatever now remains, it is what prop. Whatever remains is the substituent, and this is methoxy. Okay, this is methoxy. Let us look at the D1 here. Wait a second. I am looking for okay, D1 Memuna is answering D1. I will give you for the D1. Don't worry. No, Mehreen, how it is? You guys are doing what kind of mistake, huh? Please see to it. What is the structure? Then here you have OH. You have here carbon atom. And here you have PR, okay. Let me share a new screen, okay? Can you guys see this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is the same molecule.
Yes.
Okay. This is the same molecule. Now, this is a software from which you can see convert structure to name. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us see. What it has written: 2 bromomethyl, 3 methyl butane, 1 all. Okay. Now let us try one more. Convert name to structure. Let me write a name here. Okay, let me write a name. What I will do now, let me try this name. Wait a second. Is my annotation tool here? Yeah, it is here. What I will do in this structure now, I will not name it like this. I will say that I will take this as the parent. I will take this as the parent. And here we have 2 groups, the bromo group and the isopropyl group. Okay, as Parvati has recognized this. Okay, so let me see if that is right or not. So if I have that, then I will have bromo. So 1, 2, 3 bromo. 3 bromo is there, and 2 isopropyl. 2 isopropyl is there. Then we have prop and 1 ol. Propane ol. Okay, 3 bromo, 2 isopropyl, propane, 1 ol. Right, propane ol. Maybe this is very small for you guys, but I can't help that. But it is different than what is written here, correct? All of you, can you see that?
Yes, sir.
It is different than what is written here. Let me write. Okay. Can you see that we have got the similar structure? Yes or no? Maybe it may not look same, but but okay, fine. I have drawn the structure. Let me copy this. Okay. So I have got this structure from the name. Now let me look at the name, what this is giving. Convert structure to name. That means this structure, what we have drawn from the name, it is similar, same to the structure. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This, Hana, but see, I wrote different name for the structure, but I got the same structure, correct?
Yes.
Hana? That means the IUPAC nomenclature rules, these are not very rigid. I hope you can see that. Hana?
Yes, sir.
Because I wrote this is the name here I wrote was 3 bromo. Then I wrote 2 isopropyl, 2 isopropyl. Then I wrote prop in ol, and this is 2 bromomethyl, 3 methyl butane 1 ol. So these 2 names are very different, but they are referring to the same structure. Okay, they are referring to the same structures. Now, why this happens, and is it allowed? Can we do this? Is it right? Yeah, obviously we can do this because this ChemDraw, the software that I'm using, it is used by professional and it is used for the whatever structures you see in the research paper. If you read any research papers, these structures are drawn in ChemDraw only. Okay, so this is valid. This is perfectly valid. This is only happening because IUPAC says the idea of IUPAC nomenclature was that each name should generate only one structure. Okay, now you may be confused, but we are having names which are, we have different names that are generating the same structure. Okay, so they had the name should generate only one structure. If I write the opposite, now each structure should have one name. No, that is not right. Okay, IUPAC nomenclature, the idea behind IUPAC nomenclature is that whatever name you are writing now, it should not give you two different structures. Whatever name you are writing, it should give you only one structure. But this one structure can have different names. This one structure can have different names. That is fine. But all of these names, they should be going back to the same structure. So please remember that the IUPAC nomenclature, it is not very rigid. It is not very rigid. Okay. So since we have learned in this way that we will take this as we will start with the functional group and we will write this as OL. The unsat. Why I think some of you are writing oil. This is very wrong. You should identify it rightly. First of all, there is double bond O and there is halogen which is attached on the same carbon. I think Mehreen wrote this oil. Mehreen?
Yes, sir.
You recognize your mistake, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Oil आपके syllabus में मतलब आएगा भी नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा. OH and BRs, this will be very often. Okay, unsaturation is AN. So parent here we will take as this one. Okay, terminal to terminal, this one. Because we identify this as the isopropyl group and we identify this as bromo group. Okay, so parent is prop and BR is what? You have isopropyl and bromo. Okay, maybe it depends on your teacher, what your teacher is finding it right. Some teachers also don't have much knowledge about IUPAC nomenclature, so they may say that this is wrong, but you say that no sir, this is not wrong, because whatever the structure is going, it is referring to only one unique structure. It's not giving me two structures, so it is fine. And you can also say that if you want to fight with him or her, you can say that sir, you can try this in any software, it will give you the right structure only. Okay, so you will have these type of cases where there are two different names and both of the names are valid. Okay, that is why I asked you to not do this one. Done all of you, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
So this question has two right
Now
answers.
let us. Yeah, this question has two right answers. Okay.
Yeah.
But please remember that whatever name you are writing, that will only have one structure. The structure can have two different valid names, but each name will only refer to one structure. Okay.
So is it an isomer, both of them?
नहीं isomer नहीं है. I did not say that. No, these are not isomers. Okay, जैसे for example, you have your household name, है ना? You also have your school register name, but both of these names are referring to the same person, है ना? One person only.
Yes.
Similarly, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now let us write numbering. Okay, I think aromatic आज आपसे नहीं होगा क्या? Numbering. Okay. So how do we number these things? Okay, I think I started with numbering something, no? Please write. Numbering is done to identify the position of. Numbering is done to identify the position of functional group, comma, unsaturation, only En and Yn. Okay, you will only number for En and Yn, not An, because An is the normal case. Unsaturation and substituents. Substituent. Okay, and substituents. The number representing position is written before the letters used for representation. Separated by a dash. Okay, separated by a dash. Okay, write these 2 points, then we will be done. Okay, one more point. To number start from the terminal nearest to the following hierarchy. Okay, to number, you already know the concept of terminal, so you start the numbering from the terminal nearest to the following hierarchy. Okay, what hierarchy you use? If there is a functional group, you will start from that terminal which is nearest to the functional group. If functional group is not there, then you will start from the terminal which is nearest to double bond. If double bond is not there, then you will start with the terminal which is nearest to triple bond. And fourth one, if you don't have any triple bond, then you will start with the terminal which is nearest to the substituent. Okay, so please write this one. So this is a hierarchy. Okay, again I'm telling, this is a hierarchy. You will start with the functional group, double bond, and if you are getting a tie in double bond, then you will look if there is a triple bond. If no, then you will look at the substituent and so on. Okay. Those who have learned this in their school, they must know that there is a lowest locant rule, right? Guys, no, you have not heard of this? Parvati, lowest locant?
No, sir.
No, okay. Then how did you do the numbering? Where did you start from?
No, this, we start from functional group double bond, triple bond, but I haven't never heard of the term.
No. You know this. You have to
Yes,
start
sir.
from the terminal. Acha. Let me know if you're done, guys. And then I can give you some questions. Are done? Can I move on?
Yes, sir.
Some questions? Okay. Let us start with easy ones. Okay, don't worry. Let's start with the easy ones. Yes, guys, please turn your mic on, all of you. Functional group. Functional group.
All.
All, very good. All, no? Unsat.
And
मीनाक्षी, माजिया, रजान, guys, please turn the mic on. Otherwise, अब नहीं आएगा तो खत्म होने वाला chapter अब. IUPAC nomenclature topic. Okay, please start. Unsaturation.
AN.
AN. AN. Parent.
Butte.
Butte, right? Butte. Okay. Now, as soon as you have recognized the parent and you have also recognized the functional group. Okay. So, is there anything which is remaining? Tell me. Nothing is remaining, na? अरे ये भी हो गया bond है. This is not a carbon. This is a bond. Now everything is done. Yes or no?
Yes,
We
sir.
just have to number it. We just have to number it. Okay. Now tell me, there are two terminals, A and B. Where should I start the numbering from?
B.
B.
B. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So please remember that we number the functional group. We number the unsaturation if there is En or Yn. We don't number the parent. Okay. As you can see here, we have written numbering is done to identify the functional position of functional group. Unsaturation only for en, yn, and if there is any substituent, but there is no substituent, so we'll not number that. Okay. Now you see, what do you write? You write 1 here in the bracket. Okay. Now, how will you write the name? You will first of all start like this. You will write the name in the bottom up manner. Okay. You will start from parent. So Mehreen, tell me, what should I write first? Yes, Mehreen. Butte. And after that?
AN.
AN. And after that, I will write 1. Na? So see, numbers and letters. These will be separated by a dash. Okay. Hana, 1 and then OL.
Yes, sir.
1 all.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. Okay. Now let us write the second one. Okay, let me give you some other group here. Guys, tell me, functional group.
Uh,
AL. AL, very good. Unsaturation. Wait a second, let me write unsaturation here. Tell me unsaturation, EN.
EN.
Yes,
EN.
sir.
Parent. Parent. नहीं देख के बताइए. How many terminals we have? A, B, and C terminal. Where should I start from, guys?
C.
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 C, na? Khalil.
Yes, sir.
C. Okay. And I will also number this from C. 1 because functional group first. 2, 3, 4. Correct. So the parent is Butte again. Hai. There is a substituent now. See, we have left this now. This one is already done in functional group. So this is done. The parent is done. What is the substituent?
Methyl.
Methyl. Okay, now let us number. So methyl is in which number? Third number, right? Hannah? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Butte,
Yes.
I will not. We don't number the parent. Unsaturation. So you can see there are 2 numbers here, 2 and 3. So you will take the lower one. Okay. 2 and 3 are there. Both of them have double bond, na? Second carbon, third carbon. So you will write the second carbon one. Okay. So double bond. En 2. Got it? Okay. Mehreen.
Sir,
And
can you
AL is in
repeat?
1. Acha, okay. What will you give the number for En? Na? We have to number this En, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what number should I give it?
2.
Okay, you understand why not 3? There are 2 options, na? Mehreen, 2 and 3.
Yes, sir.
So we give the lower one. Okay, we will give the lower one. Whatever lower number is there, na? Because double bond is between 2 carbons, we give the number of the carbon with lower number.
Okay.
So 2 and AL is 1. I okay, fine. So 1 is optional here, but as for me, I write the 1. Okay, so you can also write the 1. Writing the 1 is not wrong. Even if you omit it, it is not wrong. Okay, but I prefer to write this so that I have a flow of writing all the numbers. So we'll start with 3-methyl. 3-methyl, Butte, 2-ene, 2-ene, 1-ul. Write this down. Let me know if you're done.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. So tell me what is the functional group here? Guys, what is the functional group?
Diol.
Memuna, Masia, Mehreen. You can recognize na, at least. Alcohol. All of you recognize OH?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना? But how many OH are there? How many OH?
2.
2 OH na? So okay, so see. 2 OH group. Okay. है ना? All of you
Yes.
agree?
Yes,
Okay, now tell me, what is the word for 2? What is the word for 2?
Die.
Die.
Die na? Die. So die. And what is the word for OH?
OL.
OLC. देखिए आप लोग को तो आता था ना, आप ही लोग ने जवाब दिया. All of you know this, okay? It's just that you have some थोड़ा सा hesitation है, nothing else. What is the unsaturation? Let us see. See. If you have, okay, now tell me. Now what is the unsaturation?
Die.
Di-EN. Very good. See, di-EN. See, like we are getting it very now complex things, but see, you can answer it very easily, right? If we change some things. Now, what is the parent? Tell me. Start from here. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me. Parent is how many carbon? Okay. What about the numbering? Where should I start the numbering from? A or B?
A.
A, right? Because functional group. Okay, we'll give priority to functional group. So we'll start from A. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So parent is spent, na?
Yes.
Parent is spent. Okay. What is the substituent? This is the substituent, na? Only chloro. Chloro. Okay. Now chloro is at which position?
Second.
2. Okay. What about di-N? Okay, fine. Di-N is in which position? It is in the दो जगह है ना di-N. Tell me which are the position?
3 and 5.
नहीं 2 and 4 ना. Smallest Mehreen.
sorry. 2.
है ना? 2, 4. 2, 4. Okay. So you separate the numbers by comma. Acha, now tell me, where are the diol? Where is the OH?
So
1 and 3. Okay. So let us start with here. 2 chloro. 2 chloro. Pent. Now again di-in. Then you will have 2, 4. Die-in. Okay. And C. And I will write 1, 3. Diol. Okay. No problem till here?
No, sir.
No? Okay, but see, wait a second. Okay. Let me share another screen and I will show you there is some difference with what we have written and what the ChemDraw, our software, will tell us. Okay. So you have the software. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have like this. There is a carbon which is okay. Now I need that somewhere else like this. Here we have this. What is our structure? I forgot the structure and I just need to have one more. Okay. And there is a chlorine here. And what is there? There is a OH here. We add a double bond here. We will add a double bond here, right? Kind of similar. Yeah, kind of similar. Then I have to add OH here. So I have to write this down. OH. There is also a OH here. So I will write this down. OH. There is a Cl here. So I will write this as Cl. And it can recognize. If I select this, I have selected this. This is the structure, na? No difference?
Yes, sir. No difference.
Okay, let us write the structure. Structure to name. Okay, so see this E part, na? Because that is stereochemistry. Okay, that will come later. The E part is stereochemistry. That will come later. Now, can you see some differences? Yes or no? Can you see a penta here?
Yes.
Can you see the di-ene complete ENE?
Yes.
Okay, now see, I will do one trick. See what I will do now. Let me remove this and make it a single one. How can I make the single one? Can I make the single one? No. Wait a second. Let me delete this one. And let me add a single bond from here to here. Now, can you see that penta is gone?
Yes.
Why it is happening? So if I add, see, if I will add this double bond, then this penta is coming again. Why it is happening? See, the penta is gone. But if I add the double bond, the penta is coming again. See, can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anna?
Yes.
So what is happening? See, what is the change that is happening? So here it is ending with a, I mean, it is a, what do you see? Consonant, huh? T is a consonant, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now what, see, the change is happening in the die. So after a consonant, you have a vowel here. That is why you don't have any, it is not ending with any particular, it is not ending with any vowel. You cannot have two vowels at the same time, okay? In IPAC normal case. Now, as it is ending with D now, it is starting with D, then I can have this A here. Similarly, I am having this EN. Now, if I will remove this one, if I remove this OH, see, that EN is also gone. ENE is gone, na?
Yes, sir.
Let me see. If I will add this OH, now this ENE is again there. All of you, can you see that difference?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So this is the small difference that you have to keep in mind. Okay, this is only English. This is not IPAC normal feature. This is English now. Since it is starting from D here, you will write penta. Since it is starting from D here and not a vowel, you have to write E here. Okay, so please write a note. In parent.
Sir, are you writing it on the whiteboard?
Sorry. Sorry. I have to reshare now. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now in parent, write it will start with buta, okay? Buta, penta, hexa, and so on. If the unsat has number, okay, not number, I should not write number, has di, tri, tetra, and so on. Okay. Similarly, in unsat, write ANE, AME हो गया, ANE, ENE, and YNE if the functional group has di, tri, tetra, and so on. Okay. Now it is complete. Okay, everything is now in your notes. IUPAC nomenclature, if you study it hard, you can teach it now. You can teach it to anyone. Now only thing is remaining is the aromatic one. You know aromatic benzene wala. Parvati,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
you have done benzene one.
Yes, sir.
What do you think? Is it more tough or is it easy? Benzene one.
It's easy.
It's easy. What do you think? What else? Where else is done? Who else has done the benzene one? Benzene one? No one. Acha.
I
Maimuna?
did, sir.
What do you think? Is it easier than the open chain or is it tough than the open chain?
Sir, after studying the IUPAC things in your sessions, I feel like this is easier than that.
No, no, no. This is easier than the benzene one.
Yeah.
अभी देखिए बेंजीन में तो आपको इतना मजा आ जाएगा क्या पता. You will love benzene. You will see, like, if you have an option, na, the open chain one and the benzene one, then you will always opt for benzene one. It's just that easy. Okay.
Okay.
Write this down. Write this down fast. I will not even spend 5 minutes on it because you have understood everything about benzene. You will start naming it like a pro. Okay. चलिए हो गया. Can I move on?
Yes.
Okay. So write naming of. Let us see the timer. 53 na. I have 58 till 58. I have 5 minutes. Na. Let me turn on the timer. So write naming of. I will not wait for you guys to write. Okay. Naming of aromatic compounds. Okay. Aromatic means benzene like. Okay. Benzene like. Okay. So we have different parts. Stereo. We have substituent. We have parent. We have unsaturation. And we have functional group. Now in benzene, you don't have to look at this. For parent and saturation functional group, you have the word benzene. Okay, you don't have to look at parent and saturation function. You don't have to look at anything. You just have to look at the substituent. Okay. You have the names of substituent. You just have to look at the substituent. Okay. The only two things that you have to remember, and the name with benzene, and this name with benzene, and whatever other groups are there, other groups are treated as substituent. Other groups are treated as substituent. Okay. Done. Okay. 1 minute भी नहीं लगा हमें. हो गया खत्म. Direct questions now. Maimuna.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have this. Please remember substituent, no functional group and all. Okay, substituent. So tell me. So for F, I will write for P, U, and F. That means for parent, unsaturation, functional group. What is the word? What is the word?
Benzene.
Benzene.
Benzene. That means we have covered this one. We have covered this one. Tell me what is the substituent?
OH.
Hydroxy.
Hydroxy. What is the name? Go from here to here. Hydroxy. Benzene. Just remember there will be no space here. Okay. They have some special names baad mein. But right now you learn from benzene at least. Okay. You start learning from benzene. Got it? Maimuna?
Yes, sir.
Hai na? Easy.
Yeah.
Now tell me this one. What is the substituent? What is the substituent?
Methoxy.
क्या हुआ? मिथॉक्सी नहीं है. ऑक्सीजन कहां दिख रहा है खलील आपको? मैमूना, व्हाट इज द सब्स्टिट्यूएंट? मिथॉक्स. ऑक्सीजन कहां है? एक ऑक्सीजन कहां है? ऑक्सी क्यों बोल रहे हैं? ऑक्सी मींस ऑक्सीजन. ऑक्सी मींस ऑक्सीजन. ऑक्सीजन कहां दिख रहा है आपको? हाँ, टेल मी नाउ.
Ethane.
सामने रहते हैं आप लोग, मेरे सामने रहते हैं.
Methane.
मीथेन. वाह, मीथेन. सब्स्टिट्यूएंट एंड्स विथ
Methyl.
क्या है?
Methyl.
मिथाइल. मार के ना आप लोगों को तो मिथाइल बेंजीन. इतना आसान है. Still you are a guy. You just have to differentiate a few things and nothing else. NH2 amino benzene. Now I will do only one question which is a bit tough. जहां पे numbering आएगा. Here you will have numbering. Okay. OH BR. Okay. OH, BR. Now, how will you name? You will start with OH. Okay.